Selective laser sintering, or SLS, is an additive manufacturing process using polymer materials. SLS is similar to other polymer additive manufacturing processes in that it's layer by layer. However, it's different inherently that it's a powder-based process and also uses laser as the energy source. SLS as a process does not require support structures. Also, there is no print bed with which you need to attach the part to. The SLS process, with the distribution of powder particles used during the process or the raw material itself, those bigger and smaller particles allow for the powder to lay very tightly together so that when you sinter it, you're getting a very dense part with very little voids or pores or defects. Thermoplastic materials used for SLS are also used in injection molding. So properties such as modulus and yield strength or tensile strength will still be there. Other properties such as chemical resistance or thermostability can match what you see in molding as well. Oftentimes, when you're looking at a design feature such as a large overhang, let's say a round curved surface, those would require some kind of support structure. With SLS, the powder can act as that. Another geometric feature would be internal channels. Other technologies may require support structures in the middle of that, which would then take away from the function. Whereas with SLS, those internal channels would be able to be built kind of in any orientation, any size, and then that powder that's not sintered simply comes out of the part. SLS is able to repeatedly and reliably create best-in-class parts. The powder quality itself is very consistent and can be controlled very closely. The lasers that are used to provide energy to sinter the parts are extremely precise. SLS is well suited to scale for production. The SLS process, once the part is completed being built, that as printed part is ready to go. You could pull it right out and use it. You don't have secondary steps that could lead to warping or distortion, such as curing or washing in a solvent. The EOS SLS software platform, known as EOS Print, is a very intuitive, easy to use software program that allows users to tune laser parameters and laser pathways layer by layer. EOS has a unique opportunity and advantage specific to materials with our sister company, Advanced Laser Materials, or ALM. And the combination of EOS and ALM allows for the most comprehensive portfolio of materials out there for SLS. What's great about SLS is I think the transition from that prototyping phase to a production setting is pretty seamless, either within the same piece of equipment where now you're going to fill out that full build volume, or if you want to scale to a larger and larger system, you're going to see a lot of consistency in practices and kind of parameters as you increase in that journey.